Okay, Mary, here are all the requirements for the popcorn: induction plate, the pot, which is stainless steel. The thicker the better. It is important for the temperature once to heat to be able to contain the heat. This coconut oil, and of course the popcorn, and also the salt. So the induction heat, it has two options: degrees and fire. Fire has 2000 max. We put it on 800 and we wait for it to heat. So here it starts heating. The most important part is to make sure it is well heated. This is made with the water drop test. So here is the water drop test. We have some water drops, and when we drop, nothing happens. So it's too early. So after a few, we again make the water drop test, and we see the water is not flying around, so it's again too early. Now we do again the water drop test, and we see it's flying, it's almost done. So again, now you can see the water drops. They're just flying. You can see it's almost done. It's also important for the sides also to be able to not vanish. So for example, here when I put it on the sides, it vaporizes, so we need a little bit more time. But you can see here the water drops, they stay. This means it is well heated here. We have to make it to be able to heat over here also. So the longest time is like 5 minutes to be able to be heated the best way, and the rest is really easy. You can see now. Okay, it's almost ready. Let's get rid of the water. Okay, and now the fun part starts. We put the oil evenly spread, so this is about good. We wait for a minute or two, or 20 seconds. So it's like frying the popcorn. This is the idea. So it has to get a bit heated. Okay, and now we put we bake a little bit like this, put it like that. This is how it is. So when we stop hearing the pops, then this means it's ready. That's about it. As you can see, it's clean. You just wash it very easily, and yeah, you put some salt and love your life.